Only the lines. Alright, good job. Next.
Purple. And then
What color is that?
purple.
Purple.
This is rainbow. Here's so many rainbow.
Yeah.
This is rainbow. This is the good rainbow. And then you say, where's bubbly?
There.
This is the ball. This is the bubbly.
Yeah. Later. Okay, later. You use that tablet.
This is the water bubbly.
Yeah.
I do the water in the Andrea.
Yeah.
It's no more Minecraft.
No more Minecraft. No, we will not play Minecraft.
It's the Andrea first.
Yeah.
It's
Angela and the princess.
Princess Elsa. What's Princess Elsa to the bubbly?
Yeah.
And this so this is this one the bubbly the Elsa.
Yeah, only that's princess. Okay, continue.
No, this is the base.
Yeah, wow, it's good. Okay, the hand. What's the color of the hand?
Here,
Oh, the color.
with the hand.
Blue. It's color blue.
Yes. This is baby. It's baby go get baby pa.
Mm-hmm. Okay, continue.
And the lines.
Yeah.
What is that? This is the brown.
Mm-hmm. That's brown. Right.
They color the brown.
Mm-hmm.
What that? This is the color brown.
Yes.
This is the
Color black.
different brown. And the color red. So pretty.
So pretty, yeah.
Next, it is number 2.
It's number 2. Oh.
It is not like it's number 2 here. Where?
Alright, number 2. Here.
What color is number 2? 1, 2.
1, 2. What's that?
1,
2,
2, 3.
3.
3 is the
What is
3.
this? What is this? What do they call this one?
This one is color here.
Yeah, it's envelope.
And look,
This one.
this envelope is here, scissor here.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, color.
What natural get the number 2?
Number 2. Color the number 2.
What pencil?
Oh.
What is that?
So,
This is good.
yeah.
This is good here. This is number
Set them properly.
sheet of battery.
Yeah.
What is that? This is letter B. What color you know? What is that letter?
Number 2.
Number 2 is
Okay.
this is number 2 is this. And this is then the only lights here.
Yeah, only the lines. Okay.
Look,
Good. Oh, what's that?
this is number 3. What
Finish
next?
first here. The number 2. Finish.
And you only have 3 parts here.
Okay. Finish on the number 2. Okay.
Okay, it is one. This is we're going to watch a puppet.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to play later. Okay. You are already finished. Okay.
The
Yeah. Good job. Next one.
letter A,
Yeah. Alright.
W,
W.
O,
O. Alright. Good job. Next.
X,
Okay.
small
What's that letter?
P.
E.
Is that one? This 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6.
6. Alright.
6. What's 6? What's number? What's the 6?
6. So what?
1,
2, 3, 4,
2,
5,
5, 6.
6. Alright.
6.
Okay. Continue. Finish.
Finish letter two.
Two.
Letter one.
Sit down, sit down. Like that. Okay. Yeah.
Other line.
Yeah, other lines.
Only
Okay, go. You can do that. Okay?
Okay, here only line translated here.
Yeah. Alright. Two. Letter O. O. Yeah, good job. Which one? E. Okay, W. Alright. Letter O. Alright, good job. Next. P. W. W. Letter O. Alright, good job. Alright. Try to color this one. Okay?
I'm going to take number in the car.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is
Color.
the color here.
Yeah.
And this one color.
Okay.
Two pencils.
Yeah, two pencils.
One, two, three.
Alright.
And then for the great one. I didn't like it for Oh no.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Next year.
Yeah.
Number two.
Alright. Okay. How do you do lines?
And then like,
Yeah.
what is the sound?
Oliver's watching.
Where is Porter watching?
I don't know. Okay, try pick another color. Pick another color. That one.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Orange.
Alright. Alright. Purple. Only the lines. Only the lines. Okay.
No.
Good job.
Oh no, it's not the Christian food.
Purple. Yeah, good job. Pick another color. What color?
I want blue.
Yung blue.
And
Okay.
I want blue.
Alright. Okay. Okay.
Turn around.
Turn around. Alright, good job. Okay. Only the lines ate.
Shift around.
Yeah, round and round. Only the lines. Alright, good job. One more.
One more.
Yeah. Good job. Nice one. Nice one. Another one.
Another one too.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Good job.
It is one, two,
Oh,
three,
next.
four.
What's next?
Three.
This one.
Almost.
Yellow. It's color yellow?
Yes, this is black and white here.
Alright. Yellow. Numerals, number words, and counting. Identify the pictures
No,
and count
there's a
and
trouble
color
here.
them.
Look, this is seven. It's one. It's
17, 16.
16. It's so many.
Yeah, so many. Okay, let's first this one. Okay?
Are you going down here?
Yeah.
Are you going to watch her here?
Yeah. Alright. Finish first this
Are
one.
you
Okay?
going to what is it going?
Yeah.
Are you going to go?
Finish that. We're going to watch later. Okay? You're going to use.
Let's get the bullet. Let's get the bullet. This is the stuff.
After you finish your work.
This is the working now. This is solo work, the daddy.
Yeah, tomorrow daddy will going to work.
And Dad is going to work these when the endless. And then I want endless those
Want ambulance toys?
toys.
That you're going to buy ambulance
Yes.
toys?
I want small yet.
Small?
Yes. I was small yet.
Okay.
I was small yet with the color.
Finish that. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Triangle.
Triangle. It's triangle.
Color the triangle.
Yeah.
Color the lens.
That's nice.
Wait, this is not
Four
one.
ball, okay.
What is that? It's not my nest.
Huh?
It's not.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, is here.
We use that one.
It's one this it's not down here.
Yeah.
And not then down here.
Alright.